Bang, nasi gorengnya 2 ya.
Pedas nggak, Non?
Sedang aja.
Bungkus apa makan sini?
Bungkus ya, Bang?
Tunggu ya, Non. Duduk aja dulu.
Bang, nasi gorengnya 2 ya.
Pedas nggak, Non?
Sedang aja.
Bungkus apa makan sini?
Bungkus ya, Bang?
Tunggu ya, Non. Duduk aja dulu.
This dialogue is based on real conversation. In conversation, some words are pronounced differently compared to the standard Indonesian style. Some of the words used in conversation can be different from the textbooks and the grammar is less strict. The word bang here is shortened version of the word abang, which means older brother. You can also use this word to call a stranger, not only your own older brother. We usually call food sellers with this word, like how the customer in this dialogue called the nasi goreng seller. Then the seller called his customer non. This word is shortened version of the word nona, which means miss. These are words in this dialogue that are pronounced in conversation style. Pedes means spicy. Sedang means moderate or medium. In this dialogue, it means not too plain, not too spicy, just somewhere in between, just enough. Aja means just. Tidak means no, but in conversation we use the word enggak. This word is a colloquial word. There are many versions in writing and either one of them is okay. Several versions of the spelling of the word enggak are the last one is my favorite because it's the shortest. Pedes nggak, Non? The meaning of this question is spicy or not, miss? Then shouldn't it need the word atau? Well, not really. Here are some other examples where the word atau is omitted. Sudah makan belum? Mau nonton nggak? Pergi nggak? Bungkus apa makan sini? In standard Indonesian, this question would be bungkus atau makan di sini? We often use the word apa instead of atau to say or. Yang merah apa yang biru? Mau kopi apa teh? Beli apa sewa? Preposition di. Sometimes we just drop the preposition di. Duduk sini. Taruh sana aja. Mama mana? Now, let's listen to the dialogue again with English translation.
Bang, nasi gorengnya 2 ya.
Pedas nggak, Non?
Sedang aja.
Bungkus apa makan sini?
Bungkus ya, Bang?
Tunggu ya, Non. Duduk aja dulu.
Thank you for watching.